Hey guys, it's Melanie. Happy Monday. Welcome back to my bathroom. We're in my bathroom right now, obviously. It is actually Monday morning, but today I am showing you guys a really simple, quick, hydrating evening skincare routine. My skin's actually a little bit dry today. I'm not entirely sure why, so this is actually going to be really good that I'm doing an evening routine for the daytime because it's really going to nourish my skin today. So this video is featuring all City Beauty products because they are having a 30% off sale today, which for their website is a really, really good sale. There are so many products that I have used from City Beauty over the last few years that I have really come to depend upon and that are a regular part of my skincare collection, products that I readily purchase myself. Sometimes they do obviously send me PR items, but for the most part, everything that I love, I end up repurchasing myself. So the sale today is for 30% off. It is site-wide. So I will put a link for the sale in the description box down below, as well as a code that will get you the 30% off at checkout. So just use that link, copy and paste that code, and then at checkout, you will save 30% off of whatever you have in your cart, no matter what it is. So some of my go-to items that I'm not sharing with you guys today, I really do love the City Beauty Uplift Firming Serum. It's kind of spendy. City Beauty is definitely a higher end, more luxury skincare line, but their ingredients I think are well worth it. I really like their formulations for my skin. So the City Beauty Uplift Firming Serum is fantastic. I've already gone through an entire bottle of that. I have not repurchased it quite yet, but I think I might during the sale because I like the 30% off. But more importantly, the vitamins that I take are from City Beauty. I think they're actually marketed more as a skin benefiting type supplement, but for me, it's the reason that my hair is as long as it is and the reason that my hair looks as healthy as it does. I give it all to those City Beauty supplements. They do contain biotin. I don't know if it's just the type of biotin that City Beauty uses or if it's a combination of all the other ingredients working together, but my hair has never grown faster, longer, and healthier at any other point in my life than it has since I started taking those supplements last year. So I will put links for the specific things that I'm talking about in the description box down below, but you can also find all these products just on the regular City Beauty website. There's lots of things to look through. So today I'm just going to be showing you a few things that I use for a simple evening skincare routine. Like I said, I'm dealing with some dryness right now. It's mostly around here. The rest of my face actually feels fine. But yeah, anyway, so this feels really weird to do during, what time is it? It's 9 o'clock in the morning. All right, so I'm gonna wash my hands real quick and then I'm gonna get started cleansing my face. I did take a shower this morning, but I didn't wash my face in the shower, so I need to do it now. And then I'm gonna go straight into putting on a sheet mask. Love this sheet mask, love it. Okay, so I'm gonna get my face wet. Because I don't have any makeup on, I don't need to use a double cleanse. Also, it's morning. I don't do a double cleanse in the morning. If this were a true evening routine, I would remove all of my makeup with either the Derma-E Universal Cleansing Balm or the Pharmacy Green Clean Cleansing Balm. My contact over at City Beauty, I was like, hey, you guys need a cleansing balm. They don't have one, which I was really surprised by, but anyway, I'm using the Youth Rejuvenating Cleanser. This has Dragon's Blood Botanical Superfruit in it. Anyway, this is just a really nice, gentle, basic cleanser that works really well. Also has a really pretty fuchsia color to it. So I'm just putting a few pumps of that onto my, and I'm dripping all over the place here. Let's get some of that excess water out. There we go. Has this really pretty pink color. I love it. But I'm just kind of patting that into my Clarisonic there. And now I'm going to start washing my face. the Clarisonic is, it's discontinued at this point. You can't really get the replacement heads anymore. So I managed to purchase, I think I have about 24 replacement heads somewhere. It's a ridiculous number, but I really like this device. It's still my favorite. I was super bummed when I found out that Clarisonic was going under. But yeah. As far as, I've had some people ask me if replacement heads are, like the generic ones from Amazon, are worth it. So with my last Clarisonic, I tried using generic brush heads, and within probably 6 months, my Clarisonic at the time stopped working. So I don't know. I mean, eventually your Clarisonic is going to be obsolete anyway, but I'll just stick with my replacement brush heads that I've purchased, and then from there switch to a different device probably. So anyway, I'm just running this around. I did wash my neck in the shower this morning because that was just going to be easier in terms of getting water everywhere, but anyway, good enough. So I'm gonna rinse off my face. The water's getting hot. Okay. Just lightly pat my face, and we're doing it. We're going in with the Line Smoothing Hydro Mask. I love this thing, you guys. This is glorious. So what I'm gonna do is pop this on my face, go downstairs and check work emails for about 10-15 minutes, and then I'll come back up and finish the routine with you guys. But, so I'm gonna take this out. There are like two, like almost like mesh type covers that cover the actual mask. So you wanna take this off, and then you want to take, there's one on the other side as well. So take that off, and then you're left with this. I believe this is a biocellulose mask. Oh, this serum that's on here is so hydrating. I love it. So I'm just gonna plop this on my face. I kind of have to stretch it a little bit funny because I have an enormous head and a lot of surface area. So I kind of have to stretch it to make it fit. There we go. All up in the old eyebrows. Another thing I like to do, if you have one of these gua sha tools, is, I'm just getting one out of the fridge here. I'll link this one down below, but I like to massage the mask in sometimes. And this just feels really nice. Also, because I kept this in the fridge, it's nice and cold. So if you want to like hold it underneath your eyes, it feels really good. Oh, that's really nice. Very refreshing. But I just use this to kind of massage the serum into the skin a little bit. You certainly don't have to do this, but it just feels nice. All right, so I'm gonna leave you guys up here and I'm gonna go check some work emails, and I'll see you in about 10 minutes. And we're back. While downstairs, I got myself my second cup of coffee. Sorry, I'm a slurper. checked some emails. It's been probably about 15 minutes, so I'm gonna take this bad boy off. Oh, it feels so good. This just like immediately like soothes my skin. Sorry, I'm gonna toss that. While I was getting my coffee ready, I was staring out into our backyard and realized the reason that my face is probably so dry today is because I spent both Saturday and Sunday sitting in front of our outdoor fireplace. And it was still kind of cold this weekend, so I was like right in front of the fireplace with my face. I'm sure the fire was just zapping all the moisture out of my skin, so no duh. All right, so next I'm gonna let's do an eye cream. This is actually a really nice eye serum. This is their Eye Revive Firming Serum. This is fantastic for helping to reduce puffiness underneath the eyes, but it also helps with a nice, again, surge of moisture, a nice little boost there, and it absorbs very quickly, and it doesn't interfere with my makeup at all. So I'm just kind of tippity tapping that. I used the wrong finger. Let's use the proper finger, huh? So just tap that in. If there's a lot of slip to my eye product, sometimes I will just very gently do this instead of the tapping. I don't actually like the way the tapping feels around my eye area, but anyway. So, get that also into the inner corner there. Next, I'm going to, I'm trying to decide. I can either do the Dermal Reset Exfoliating Concentrate, which I love. This is fantastic for just a nice, quick exfoliation of the skin. I'll put the kind of main standout ingredients of all of these products in the description box down below, so look for that information there. Or I can do the Intensive Night Serum. The Intensive Night Serum is great for like a super surge of moisture, especially when I combine it with the Microbiome Night Mask. These two work well together too, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and go for the extra hydration today. So I only need a little bit of this. Well, I'm gonna take one more pump because I'm also gonna do my neck. So I've got about, what is that? Like a pump and a half about. And I'm gonna just distribute a little bit and then start rubbing that in. Oh, this feels really good, especially around my mouth. Again, it's just that really nice light hydration, but when I combine this with the Microbiome Night Mask, it's like, just really, really great. It makes my skin feel not tight and not dry, which right now it's not at all. I'm gonna take a little bit more on my neck, sorry. I feel like 2 pumps would probably be the most appropriate there. I'm not gonna be leaving the house at all today, so I'm not gonna be doing any makeup on top of this, so I'm not too worried about anything sliding off my face, but this serum is definitely a night serum for me. It would make my skin a little bit too oily regularly during the day to use this, but like I said, I'm not leaving the house today. There is no makeup going on here, so it's fine. All right, and then let's top that with the delightful Microbiome Night Mask. I usually take like a nice heaping amount of this, and I will do this on my face and the neck. So this is technically a mask. It's an overnight mask, but it kind of applies like a moisturizer. I guess you should go up. This just helps to rebalance my skin a little bit. There's a little dried blob of it. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh, I feel nice and soothed. All right, and then the last 2 steps. I do this pretty much every single night. Love the City Lash Serum. Lately I've been testing another one, but this one has been my go-to for probably over a year now. Typically I can get about, I would say 6 to 8 months out of one tube, so it lasts quite some time. And I just put it along my top lash line. And again, it just helps to keep the lashes attached longer. It just keeps them healthier, hydrates them, and allows them to grow just a little bit longer. And then the last thing, I think I'm actually gonna have to repurchase this soon, I'm kind of running low on it, is their Brow Boost. And yes, this has caused more brow hairs to grow back. How I know that is, one, I can see the hairs through my brow tattoo growing in. But I can also tell that sometimes I'll be a little sloppy with it and I'll get more of the serum like underneath here where really there is no growth that takes place on its own anymore because I've overplucked my brows for that many years. I'm a girl of the 90s, so I had those Pam Anderson skinny brows. But there's new growth that's happening underneath my actual micro shading. So I know that this stuff is causing some hair growth for me. So I've been using it for quite some time now. Probably, has it been 6 months? I feel like it's been at least 6 months because I'm kind of starting to run low on this. So anyway, I just stick that in my brows. And if it was nighttime, I would now hop in bed and Craig and I would watch some TV and then pass out. Probably a Dateline murder mystery. That's what we're into. So yeah, you guys, that's it. That is my hydrating City Beauty evening skincare routine. I'm going to enjoy this moisture on my face today and live my best life of doing housework looking like this. So anyway, thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch. I will put, like I said, the links and the information for the sale down below in the description box. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Toodaloo.